I would say Fuel Online was very helpful. I mean, as I've said before, a lot of guys come from all sorts of industries into sales. They're not always born and bred into sales. So coming in, you might get a guy with 20 years experience. He even needs it himself, because he needs to be reminded of things, and especially new people also coming in because they don't know a lot about the industry and the trade. And in our job, our day is never guaranteed. So you're quite flexible, and you're forced to be flexible, and that's what online training brings you. So you can be flexible if it's quiet. If it's a quiet day, which is mostly on a Saturday here in town, a lot of us would do our training then on a Saturday. And what's nice is if a client comes in, you can just stop and assist the client. And whereas if you have to do face to face, you're not even going to see your client. You're going to lose money first of all, because we mostly commission earners. And when you're done with the client, if you assist him, you stop your training, you go assist the client, you come back, you can carry on with your training.
For me personally, there has been a very, very good impact and positive impact on me, because it gives you all the fundamental principles of selling, of how to approach, how to speak to a customer. It's much more convenient because you can log in, you can access it anytime if you want to go in, do your Fuel Online or do a module or something. When you do these modules, you will hear, this is how you should answer the phone, this is how you should approach a customer, this is how you should see a customer's red button, especially when a customer is not impressed with you. A lot has changed. I've grown a lot because I've applied more the basic of the modules that we have learned on Fuel Online. So I've grown a lot, very, very much. And I could really say, especially in a professional way, because it's the modules that we get on the Fuel Online. It's more professional way of approaching and selling and dealing.